In Google Docs, you can add borders and background shading to paragraphs. First, click the paragraph where you want to add a border and shading. Next, click the Format menu. Point to Paragraph Styles and select Borders and Shading. In the window that opens, you can add borders to the paragraph you selected. Next to Position, choose where the border should be applied. You can select any combination of the options. Next to Border Width, click the menu to choose a line thickness for your border. Next to Border Dash, you can select a solid, dotted, or a dashed line for the border. To change the color of the border, click the menu next to Border Color. Next to Background Color, click the menu to set any shading for your paragraph. To adjust the spacing between the border and your text, click the menu next to Paragraph Padding. Choose a higher number to increase the space. When you're done, click Apply. Click Reset to clear your chosen settings and remove any border and shading. You now know how to add borders and shading to your paragraphs in Google Docs.